I can't wait to show you guys more about Oats Overnight throughout this video, but I just want to tell you that I do have a discount code. It is Callie10 and you could receive a discount on your next purchase, but let's get into it. Hello guys, happy Wednesday. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this vlog today because in 1 hour I have my pre-op appointment for my nose job. I am so excited. Like, I can't even contain my excitement. I sent in my last payment this morning, so life is good. I am so excited. I cannot believe we are less than 20 days away from my rhinoplasty. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, I am getting my nose done. Check out my I'm getting a rhinoplasty video. I explain everything, but yeah, I just ask that you guys keep the comments positive, not negative. This is my choice, this is my decision, and I'm gonna do this. So I'm so excited because this has been a long time coming. I went in for my first consultation like a whole year ago, so make sure you guys check out the video. I think I explained it there, but be ready for literally a whole series on my channel about my experience. But yeah, this morning it is about 8 o'clock. I woke up at 6:40, so I've been getting up at that time every day. That has been my New Year's resolution. Every Monday through Friday, get up at the same time every morning, but typically I'd go to the gym probably in the mornings, just like as a morning routine. I'm just trying to get a really good morning routine, but I have to stay home because my appointment's at 9, and it's actually over the phone because where I'm getting my surgery, it's like an hour away, and they're like, well, we can do it over the phone, it's not that big of a deal. So I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna stay home because I have that at 9, but I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and have some breakfast. And I have something super exciting to share with you guys. You guys know that I am a breakfast snob. I love my breakfast, and I have something new for you guys that I'm gonna show you when I go into the kitchen. But I'm sorry this intro is so long. I'm just like in such a good mood today. I'm really excited, but I hope you guys subscribe to my channel because I post Wednesdays and Sundays. Give this video a like if you ended up enjoying these types of vlogs, and make sure you comment down below any video requests that you may have. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and let's go to the kitchen. I am just finishing up this video. I'm exporting it. This is my week of workouts. Check that out if you haven't already. That'll be up before this video. But if you guys do videos or you're a YouTuber as well, check out the extension. I don't know if it's an extension. I like downloaded it. It's called Handbrake, and it compresses your video so it doesn't take as long to upload into YouTube, because I know for me it would take me hours to upload a video onto YouTube, and now I just compress it in Handbrake and the quality is still good with it, and then it's like so much easier to upload into YouTube. It's like way quicker. So make sure you guys check out Handbrake. I highly recommend them. But yeah, so let's go into my kitchen and see what we're up to. Okay guys, so I'm in my kitchen, and you guys know what type of video this is. This is like just a bunch of breakfast ideas because I seriously am obsessed with breakfast. I can eat it literally every meal of the day, and I wanted to share it with you guys what I have currently been eating because I'm so excited about it, because I also love oatmeal. So I know you guys know that I love my eggs and my turkey bacon and a high-fat breakfast. Pause, Callie. I love doing these voiceovers for some reason. I think they're so much fun. But eating fats for breakfast just provides a consistent, even flow of energy, and it helps avoid mood swings. So if you're more of a savory type of gal, check out some fats for breakfast. But there are times where I need more substance in my breakfast and just more complex carbs. If I'm going to the gym, if I'm doing like a huge, weight session, or if I'm going again to a workout class. I went to my first technical workout class the other day, and I am so excited about it. I cannot wait to take more. I really want to try a hot yoga session, but anyway, it's not what I'm talking about. But whenever I do more weight training, I need more carbs in my diet. So I'm going to show you guys what I've been currently loving. So the company is called Oats Overnight, not overnight oats. They're called Oats Overnight, and you guys saw me in the clip that what I did was you just have to prep it the night before, and it is literally so easy. They do give you this blender bottle, so I think that is so nice because literally I can just go grab it from the fridge and then go out the door. It's literally that easy. It's best served chilled, but yeah, you guys are gonna love this as much as I do. Just give it a shake, and then you can go ahead and open it and then try it out. It's literally like what? Like, who? Like, I'm like so excited about this company because this is like one of the greatest inventions ever. It literally tastes like, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a description, if you will. This, like, if you picture a protein shake and you picture oats in the protein shake, but it's thick and it's creamy and it has a good sweet taste to it. So if you guys like breakfasts that are more sweet or, you know, unhealthy, and you're trying to like alternate something for that breakfast, check out this because it does have that sweet maple touch to it. That's the one I use. They have so many different flavors, so I'm so excited that I'm sharing them with you guys today. Oats are a great source of energy, fiber, and antioxidants, and each serving of Oats Overnight comes from flax seeds, chia seeds, and they also are all gluten-free, so make sure you guys check them out. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is what living in the Midwest feels like. I feel like a soccer coach going to like coach a practice. Like, this jacket is legit, but when it's 18 degrees outside, you need it. We have made it to my last breakfast idea. I absolutely love toast because it is filled with good carbohydrates and fiber that give me energy literally throughout the day. So if you guys are feeling sluggish or just need energy throughout the day, definitely try out toast, and I also love peanut butter and jelly on it. I don't know who makes up this weather, but it is so cold, so I just got into the car. I had my pre-op surgery appointment, which went great. It was super short, so I'm kind of glad it was like over the phone. I didn't have to drive 50 minutes into the city, so that was nice. But now it is almost 10 o'clock. I am headed to the gym, and then probably over lunch I'm gonna go to Starbucks, work there, because last week I had a really good work session at Starbucks. I got a lot done. I was very productive, so I might go and like do that once a week now, because I feel like being self-employed, I really just need to make sure that I switch things up and just stay motivated, because when you're working from home all the time, it gets a little hard to not get distracted, if you guys know what I mean. So, and you know what I just forgot? I left my washing in the washer. I forgot to put it in the dryer, so well, dang it. But anyways, exactly, distraction. But I'm gonna head to the gym now. I'm gonna get a good weight session in. I didn't work out yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday because I was modeling all day, but Monday I did mostly like HIIT workout. So today I'm going to try and do like a more of a weight session, I think. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see when we get there, but yeah, I will talk to you guys in a bit. In the car, that was a really good workout. It is now 11:16. I'm gonna head to Starbucks. I did bring my laptop and planner and stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some work from there, and then I will talk to you guys in a bit. Morning. Okay, guys.
And I'm ready to work.
I need to show you.
I had a morning for myself.
This podcast I'm listening to. It
now,
is a game changer.
I am not someone.
So it's Manifest by Tori DeSimone, and I actually used to watch her on YouTube, but like for some reason I just stopped for some reason. I don't know. I guess it was like whenever I wasn't on YouTube, but yeah, I really liked her. And then I asked on my Instagram stories what podcast you guys recommended, so make sure you follow me on Instagram if you don't. But then someone was like, Manifest with Tori DeSimone, and I'm like, oh my god, like I really need to try listening to it. And I'm telling you guys, so I've listened to like all of these, and there was one, I'm pretty sure it was episode 23, where my life was literally changed. So it's this one, episode 23, This Will Change Your Life. Oh my gosh, guys, it is a game changer. I'm telling you guys, like, I'm gonna be more into manifesting these days, because this episode was legit. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys this dress that I just got in the mail. So I have another wedding coming up in February, and my last wedding dress that my wedding guest dress I should say I got was from Showpo, and then I found this one on Lulu's. And since it is a winter wedding, I wanted something that was cute but still long sleeve, like high neck, because I don't really like showing my cleavage. I love high neck stuff, but I was like worried it would be too short. But like, I don't know, what do you guys think? I feel like it's fine. Like, I feel way more comfortable in this one than the green emerald one that I wore to the other wedding, because it was just a little bit too short. However, I did size up on this one, so I got a medium, and it is a little bit loose, but I feel like if I would have got the small, it would have been like way short. And I was reading the reviews and they were like, yeah, it runs a little small. So I tried this one. I'm comfortable in it. I feel like I like it, especially when my makeup and hair is done. I think it'd be really cute. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna come and sit with you guys for a second and do a little French braid in my hair and just chat with you guys. So my hair is dirty. I don't want to wash it, but I did just get out of the shower. And I wanted to talk to you guys about my post-grad life updates, as you guys could tell by the title. So I like suck at French braids, so we're going to try our best here and see where we can go. For those of you who are new, I just graduated college. I got my degree in aviation management. So if you guys have seen like pilot stuff and flying on my page, it's because I am a private pilot. My end career goal is to become an airline pilot, so that's really exciting. I went to school for a little bit for flying and aviation management, and then ended up switching to just aviation management. So I got that degree from Southern Illinois University, Carbondale. So I'm super excited about that. And honestly, it's just like so different having like eliminating that responsibility of, you know, this assignment's due this day. I have to take this test by this day. And it's the greatest feeling ever, I'm not gonna lie. Let me know if you guys like have went to school, if you finished school, if you didn't finish school, let me know, because like it's just super interesting to me just to see like where everybody is from. And I think it's so cool how like everybody can connect on one platform like from all over the world. So, but holy moly, I have so much brown hair on my roots. Like, this hair needs to be dyed. I'm gonna go quite blonder, so I'm super excited about that. I'm already a blonde, but look at these dark roots. But anyway, I don't foresee my life changing that much, because if you guys are familiar with my channel, if you've watched my channel, you would know that I did work a corporate job for almost 2 years, and I already had my like initial taste of the corporate world. So I kind of set myself up to be like self-employed full-time by the end of my college career, I guess. So I kind of knew this is what I wanted to do. So to be completely honest, I don't see do you see this loop? But to be completely honest, I don't see my life changing that much. It's just like really exciting because I could work on YouTube more, I can work on freelancing more, take more clients, make more money, because I don't have that responsibility of schoolwork. I don't even know, like, what is this? Anyways, I just wanted to update you guys and tell you that nothing much is changing here. I'm going to be uploading more frequently, as you guys know, or if you've watched my recent vlogs, you know that I started to upload Sundays and Wednesdays, so that is going to be my new YouTube schedule from now on. So I'm excited about that. Hopefully I could keep up with it. I mean, I'm pretty sure I will, but I'm excited to film more and edit more and upload more. So make sure you guys stay subscribed to my channel. But I think I'm going to end this vlog here because it is currently 2:45. My boyfriend is going to come over in about an hour, and then we may go to the movies, which I haven't told him that yet, but I want to go to the movies, so we might go to the movies. And yeah, it'll just be a chill Wednesday night. I think it's Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday. But whatever day you guys are watching this, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I upload twice a week. Make sure you give this video a like because it supports me, and leave any requests down in the comments because that helps me as well to see what videos you guys want to see. And with that, I will see you guys next week. Bye!